Okay, so this is our second hardest exercise here. So if you need to pause the video as we go, pause it as we go. So L for line, I'm going to draw a line from the center point of this circle to the center point of that circle. And then I'm going to draw a perpendicular line again. So L for line and control right click. And this is going to be perpendicular to that line right there. And then I'm going to copy this. So CO for copy from the endpoint to this endpoint right there and to that endpoint right there. And then I'm going to delete this here. Now I'm going to draw a line, L for line, and I'm going to draw it from this point right here to this point right here. And now that's a tangent line on there. Now I want to extend this out. So I guess not extend it. I want to add a radius on this. We have not used this yet, or a fillet, I should say. Fillet is up top here on your toolbar. You can also type an F on your command bar, F for fillet. And then we're going to do a radius, R for radius. You can see right down here. And then the radius we're going to use is 0. 0, enter. And then it says select first object. It's going to be this here. And then select my second object. It's going to be that right there. If I had added a radius or a curve on there, you would have a curve right there. But since we did 0, it's going to stay at 0. Then I'm going to make a circle in here. So C for circle. And this is going to come across here. We're going to bring it right to about right there. Then I'm going to copy this here. So CO for copy. I'm going to copy it on that center point. And we're going to copy it back to our original circle center point right there. And then I want to bisect this line here. So I want to bisect this bottom line right here. So L for line, and bring this all the way up right there. And then we're going to draw another circle. So C for circle from this center point right here to that center point of that original circle right there, like so. Next here, we're going to be switching to our object layer to finish this off here. And we'll end up trimming out a few things here. But I want to draw a line from the endpoint right here. So L for line. And I'll draw a line from that point right there to the point where our last circle we drew intersects our original circle right there. And I'm going to change this so we can see it a little bit bigger. And you can see like there, that there. Okay, so line tangent to two circles. So this line that we're going to extend out here. So EX for extend. And I want to do boundary edges here. And so select objects. I want to do this. I want to do this object here. And this right here. Let's see if this will extend it. Right, like so. You can see it extends all the way to the edge, and it's on there right at tangent to this circle here and to that circle there. And I can change this here so we can see this a bit better. But I can change this circle and that circle to our object layer. And then same thing here. So L for line, and I want to go to here to this point right there. And then we're going to extend this out here. I think I'm doing this right. So extend this out to that boundary edge. Let's click on boundary edges, and we'll try this one more time. Extend. Okay, and boundary edges, and select this here, and select this here, and let's see, like there. Oh, I just had it. There we go. And escape. And then you can trim this out to make it look neat. Trim all this out to make that junk go away, and just so you can see it a bit better. But again, this was probably the second hardest one. If you want to pause it as you go through to make sure you're clicking on the right points, but that's what that should look like. And save.